Okay, so in this video we're going to talk about addition and subtraction of complex numbers. So quickly, let's take an example. So we say we have 4 plus 5i minus 3 minus 2i. Okay, so anytime we are adding complex numbers together, you need to know that the real part of complex numbers, okay, is to add up to the real part of complex numbers, and then the imaginary part of complex numbers is to add up to the imaginary part of complex numbers. Okay, so you cannot add up real and imaginary. So if we solve this example, you should understand better. So in this case, we have 4 plus 5i minus 3, this minus should open this bracket, so plus 2i. Okay, so we take together the real parts and together the imaginary parts, like collecting like terms. So this is equal to 4 minus 3 plus 5i plus 2i. Okay, so 4 minus 3 is equal to 1, and then 5i plus 2i is equal to 7i. So basically we cannot add the real part and the imaginary part, so this is our final answer. Okay, so say we have something like 2 plus j plus I plus 5i as an example. Okay, so if we add this up, this should be 2 plus I plus 5i is 6i. Okay, so from there we cannot add this further, so this is our answer. Okay, so say we have something like 6 minus 4 plus 5i minus 6i. Okay, so the same thing we did for here, we just need to say 6 minus 4 for the real part, which is equal to 2, and then for here we just need to subtract the imaginary part. So 5 minus 6 is negative 1, so this is negative I. Okay, so I has a coefficient of 1 already, so this is equal to 2 minus 1. Okay, so basically anytime you're adding or subtracting complex numbers, the real part adds up to the real part, the imaginary part adds up to the imaginary part. Okay, so thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, share and subscribe to your friends. Leave a thumbs up button, it helps the channel.